Oh, that's sketchy as. Oh, I did not commit to that at all. You could probably...
I'm not going up that.
No, if you slide down, your bike's fucked. Another big rock. You just stop.
Huh?
You just stop in your try.
I know.
Let me try it again.
I was trying to tell you that. You didn't fucking listen to about where I got.
I was in second as well, so I'm like, thought I had a bit of a chance. I was like, oh, I'm moving, but... Fuck's sake! What the fuck was that?
Oh my god.
I thought I had something there.
Yeah!
Oh, fuck.
I got it.
Almost got there. Okay, now, here we go. Oh shit! Into the deepest part of the fucking water.
Well, I went the right way through there, but it was a lot harder.
Yeah, because yeah, I went and changed the big hole. This is a bit of commitment. I'm scared to hit my foot peg on the underneath. Nice. Oh, fuck yeah, let's go. Now I got that fucking so clean, I don't know how. Fuck yeah. Oh, it's so good.